Good morning, little Lenes. It's time to get those brains working and those bodies moving. Are you ready? Let's go. A is for alligator. Can you say, yeah, I just like an alligator. How about the? B is for buffalo. Moo, moo, moo. That's a funny sound. Se buffalo is saying B. C is for a camel. I. That camel is saying C. D is for a donkey. He. This little donkey is saying D. E is for elephant. Toot, toot, toot. The elephant is saying ne. F is for a fox. What? The clever little fox is saying F. G is for Jeff. H, H. This Jeff is very tall and says G. H is for hippo. Champ. Se hippopotamus is saying H. I is for iguana. Shush. Se iguana is a little shy and says C. J is for jaguar. Jos. The jaguar is very fierce and says J. K is for kangaroo. Kanga. That kangaroo is hopping along and saying K. L is for lion. Ra. This little lion is so cute and says L. M is for monkey. U. These monkeys are swimming in the trees and saying M. N is for a narwhal. Nar. That narwhal is swimming in the sea and says N. O is for an owl. Who. This wise little owl says so. P is for parrot. Pretty bed. This parrot is very colorful and says P. Q is for a whale. Check. This whale is hiding in the grass and says Q. R is for rabbit. Hop. This little rabbit is very fast and says R. S is for a snake. S. That sneaky snake is leading along and says S. T is for a tiger. Roar. This little tiger has stripes and says T. U is for umbrella bed. Whoa. This umbrella bed is so colorful and says U. B is for a balche. Balche. That balche is soaring high in the sky and se sube. W is for a whale. Oh. That humpback whale is singing a song and se sube doble. X is for an X-ray fish. X. This little fish has no bones and says X. E is for yak. Yip. This yak is from the mountains and says Y. Theta is for zebra. Nay. That zebra has stripes just like a tiger and says Zeta. Well done, little Lenes. You know your ABCs. Can you do them in order? Let's go. A is for alligator. A. B is for buffalo. Moo. C is for camel. I. D is for donkey. He. E is for elephant. Toot. F is for fox. What? G is for jazz. H is for hippo. Champ. I is for iguana. Shush. SH.J is for jaguar. Jos. K is for kangaroo. Kanga. L is for lion. Ra. M is for monkey. U. N is for narwhal. Nar. O is for owl. Who. P is for parrot. Pretty bed. Q is for quail. Check. R is for rabbit. Hop. S is for snake. S. T is for tiger. Roar. U is for umbrella bed. Whoa. B is for balche. Waddle. W is for whale. O. X is for X-ray fish. X. E is for yak. Yip. And Z is for zebra. Nay. Well done. Little Lenes. You got them all right. Give yourselves a big thumbs up. Sing and dance to this fun alphabet rhyme and soon you'll have it all memorized. See you next time.